Well, there you have it, folks. That's it. Done and complete. Back together. Nice and clean. I love how that ultrasonic cleaner cleans things up. But I told you I would show you how to set this too. Now, this is just going to be base settings according to S&S. This is the basic setting when you put it on the bike to get you to where it'll start, run, and idle. And then, you know, obviously you got to adjust idle and fuel and, you know, so your plugs burn right. But I'm going to show you the basic setup. This right here is your fuel screw. You turn this all the way in with your fingers only. Don't use the screwdriver, and just barely snug it up. Let me see. Okay, that's snug. Now, you go out 1 1/4 turns. So this is half, 1 1/4. And that's where that one's adjusted. Now that's your base setting for your fuel going into the carb. Now, this screw right here goes for your where your throttle cable is. You want to back this off all the way so it's not touching. Let's see if I can get you in here so you can see better. This screw goes through and it has a stop. It touches on down in here, right here. You want to back it off so it's not touching that stop. Then you want to turn it. The stop I'm talking about is this tab right here. The screw goes through and it touches right on the edge of that tab. Now you want to bring the screw down right till it touches on that tab. And as soon as it touches, turn it 1 more half turn. Now, let me see. You want to go... Oh, I'm just touching right now. Now look down at the screw and go 1/2 complete turn. Now what that's going to do, it's going to crack this throttle plate just enough to let it start and run and idle. Okay. Now, this one, this screw right here is for your accelerator pump. You want to screw that all the way in until it stops, very gently again. Now, once it's stopped, you want to back it off 2 complete turns. Let's see if I can get you in here so you can see this. There you go. That's closed all the way. You go half. Whoop. Get in there. 1, another half, 2. And that's where that's set. That's your base settings. Okay, those are the only 3 settings on this carb, and that's your base settings. You put this back on the bike and you start it. It will start and it will run and it will idle. Then you're going to want to take this out. You're going to want to warm your bike up, ride it around for 5-10 minutes because you do not want to adjust a cold bike. Because then if you adjust it when it's cold, when you start it, it's going to run rich. And so get it warmed up, then you can make any of the adjustments you want. You want to make your adjustments with your RPM set at 1,000 RPMs. I'm not going to make you guys watch the... Here, get this thing set up so you can see me. All right. I'm I'm not going to make you guys watch me put this back on the bike. You watch me get it off. You can figure out how it goes back on. I got a hypercharger, so most people, it isn't going to be the same to watch me do this anyway, because it got a regular air cleaner. So there you go. Super E carburetor from S&S. Disassembly, clean, reassembly, and set the basic adjustments. Okay, again, Pat from West Corners Custom Cycles, as always. Keep the shiny side up, be good to each other, and live life behind bars. All right, peace out.